Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the language of the Alibaba application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the My Alibaba icon down below, which is the last option. Now scroll down to the settings section and tap on it. Click on language, which is now set to English, but if you scroll down, you can see that there are a bunch of options that you can choose from. All you have to do is just simply tapping on the relevant one, and as you can see, the language of the application has been updated. So feel free to go back to this section to change it for anything else that you want to. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.